Hey Middle Earth fans, Alfred Price here. Welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel to another unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get right into it. Today I have two new boxes and they are the pipes of Gimli and the pipe of Aragorn. I'm going to open Aragorn's first and then Gimli's. So let's just go right into the unboxing and right into Aragorn's pipe here. These are ones that I've been wanting to get more pipes, and they finally brought some more out. I am really excited about these. Oh, careful when you open these, they're kind of fragile. And as you can see, they kind of changed the boxing to a lighter color of box rather than going to the standard black box. Really cool. So just to change things up, I think that's what they're doing to keep things going forward in the business there. Very cool. If you want me to, I'll read on the back as I show the pipe here up close. I like Aragorn. He is a really cool character. Because I also have the pipe of, as you've seen previous and other videos, I have the pipe of Bilbo Baggins, and I have Gandalf's pipe. It's very cool that I got some more pipes to add to the collection of these. Really cool. Okay, and then there we go. Awesome. So it comes with the stand by the looks of it first. Really cool. Just unfold it. And this one, the principal sculptor is Jason Zhang. Hold this up there for you there. And just a standard stand for the pipe. Really cool. And now the pipe itself. So excited. And these are replicas, not fully functional ones. I get a lot of people asking if they're fully functional. They are not. They're replicas. Well, that's cool. A little knob on the bottom there. So very plain. Some like weathering on the top there and everything, and just a plain simple pipe. Oh, there we go. Oh, I see. Okay. Right on. So you can see there. Just a really cool pipe. Just plain wood. Almost like a oak kind of color to it. Really cool. So awesome. I love these. Now I'm hoping for more pipes, Weta, if you're watching and listening here, because I really want more. And that's one of the pipes that I really missed, is the pipe of Thorin. If I can find that, I would be immensely excited to get that one. I missed out on that one. So I'm just so happy they brought out Aragorn's. Very cool. And now I'm going to show you some close-ups here. Very cool. As you can see there, there's the weathering around the top of the pipe there in the opening where you put the tobacco and everything. And then you can see how cool this pipe is. Like I said, just a simple plain pipe. camera does that. Really, really cool. How it stands and everything. You can see there's a knob on the back there. I don't know what that's for. Very cool. Absolutely love this pipe. So that is the pipe of Aragorn / Strider. You can see him smoking the pipe throughout all the movies. You see him smoking the pipe in Fellowship of the Ring. Not so much, I don't think, in Two Towers, but then you see him smoking the pipe in Return of the King. So very, very cool. And now we get into Gimli's pipe. Another simple, plain pipe that you see Gimli smoking in the movies. Very, very cool. Let's open her up right out of the box here. And you see him smoking his pipe throughout in the Two Towers and in Return of the King. I know that for a fact. He is one of my beloved characters in all the movies. Just so funny, and just one of my, just overall, I love Gimli. Such a fantastic character. I love dwarves. I love the axes that they have going into battle. And I love the smoking or the smell from the pipes too. My uncle used to smoke pipe, and I love the smell of it. So this is the stand again for the pipe of Gimli. And again, and these are 1-to-1 prop replicas, as you can see there. And again, made by Jason Zhang again. And now his pipe. And it is a lot shorter as to go with the size of the dwarf, I guess. So, very, very cool. Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, I see. There we go. So quite shorter, as you can see there, pipe, and a little bit deeper of chamber to hold the tobacco in there. And same color as Aragorn's, and very, very cool. And yeah, I am so happy I got these pipes. Thank you, Weta. Very, very glad that I got these. So very happy with these. So now I am going to show you some close-ups of the pipe of Gimli. So here's, as you can see, just like Aragorn's pipe, same color as stem, but at the base or bottom where the tobacco goes, it's a lot deeper chamber where it goes in, and is fit more in tobacco. Very, very cool. This is awesome. And again, this is 1-to-1 prop replicas. They're not fully functional pipes, which you can get though. But I love these pipes. So very cool. You can see at the top, I would have thought at the bottom it would be more black, but I guess at the top it would have more. But I love these. So cool. I don't know what's at the base there though. As you can see, there's a line at the stem. Let me show you what I mean here, like right there. I don't know if that comes off or what, but interesting. But you can see the shortness of the pipe made for Gimli, the dwarves. Really, really cool. Thank you, Weta, for these pipes. These are awesome. So this is the pipe of Gimli. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you guys thought. Like and subscribe. Have a great day and see you guys in an upcoming video. Why can't I get this to light?